Running a school business is not an easy task. Many who set out on this endeavor end up failing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 9 top reasons why schools fail. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 9 top reasons why schools fail. But before I proceed, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Thank you for encouraging me. And if you are new here, I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Osla Ijeoma. I'm a school business owner. I've been in school business for 10 years and it has been a fulfilling vocation for me. So if you are looking for an inspiration on how you can start and manage your school effectively, you are at the right place. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my regular uploads. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 9 top reasons why schools fail. Being aware of common downfalls in school business can help you avoid them. If you're ready, let's jump right in. Number 1 is lack of capital. Lack of capital is an alarming sign. It shows that your school business might not be able to pay its bills, loan, and other financial commitments. Lack of capital makes the normal day-to-day operations difficult. And if it's a new school, getting the financial backing of a lending institution can be difficult, especially in this current state of the economy. When you don't have enough working capital and you cannot access funding resources, your school suffers. Number 2 is poor or no planning. Schools fail because of the lack of short-term and long-term planning. When it comes to setting up a successful school or running a successful school, the adage holds true. He who fails to plan to fail. If you don't plan ahead, you probably fail because you have nothing to guide you and no parameters to keep you on task. Having a comprehensive and actionable strategy allows you to create engagement, alignment, and ownership within your school. It's a roadmap that shows you where you have been, where you are, and where you're going next. Number 3 is the location. The location of your school has everything to do with success. Yes, the location of your school has a huge role in attracting people to your school. Having an amazing school in the wrong location will still result in school failure, no matter how good your marketing efforts are or how talented your staff is. So, having an informed decision as to where you choose to set up your school is very important, and it should not be done without research. Number 4 is poor communication. A lot of school leaders don't know that education is communication. In a school environment, communication is the lifeblood of teaching and learning. Edu leaders wear many hats, but first and foremost, they must be good communicators. Effectiveness is not measured by the quantity of polysyllabic words used, but by how much of what is said or written is really understood. When a school leader communicates effectively, students learn. Parents and community members understand and support what the school is doing, and the process of teaching and learning moves forward. But when a school leader fails to communicate effectively, misinformation, misinterpretations, misunderstandings, and mixed messages can cause the system's wheels to spin. Number 5 is neglecting marketing. School is a business, and marketing is the heart of business. What am I trying to say? No school can achieve success without marketing. Unfortunately, too many schools fail because they don't create a marketing plan that leads to growth. Instead of creating a research and data-driven plan, they rely on gut feeling. Unsurprisingly, the result is often school failure. Number 6 is poor management. Poor school management not only affects the students' academic performance, it also affects the school's overall operations. When teaching and learning are not supervised, teachers are not motivated, programs and activities are not coordinated, material resources are not well managed, of course, the school suffers. Examples of poor school management are an inability to listen to teachers, students, and parents, lack of trust, lack of feedback, and working without standard. Number 7 is neglecting your prospective parents' needs. Yes, schools that fail lose touch with their prospective parents. If you neglect to stay in touch with your prospective parents and understand what they need and the feedback they offer, just forget it, because your school will fail. If you want to be successful in your school business, keep an eye on the trending values of your prospective parents. Number 8 is personal use of business funds. Your business is not your personal bank account, so ensure that you pay yourself a salary and keep your personal expenses out of business. And number 9 is macroeconomic factors. School owners cannot control macroeconomic factors. They can't control wars, recessions, natural disasters, inflation, and so on. The COVID-19 pandemic forced many schools to fail. Unfortunately, the disruptive impact of the COVID-19 crisis is especially damaging to small schools. Running a school business is not an easy task. Following this simple guide will set you up for success. I hope these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification each time I post. See you in my next video.